welcome back to 5280 Adventures. We're gonna start a new series here called The Day in the Life of 5280 Adventures. I'm gonna kind of just show you what's going on in my life, maybe get to know me a little bit more, and for me to get to know all of my subscribers a little bit more as well. So today we're gonna show you our chickens. Yes, I have chickens. Anyways, I'm going to flip you around here. We're going to head outside and go see what they're up to. All right, let's go see them. Well, this is our coop. It says Rise and Shine at the Chick Inn. I built that myself a year ago for us to get some chickens, so let's go see what they're up to. Hi girls. Well, it's about 5 o'clock here in Colorado, and this is the time that I let them out, so they're a little anxious. But let's get over to the door here and see what they want to do. They want out. Got to get out of the way, they'll run you over. All right, there they go. Well, if any of you guys have dogs or cats, you know that you have special treats, things that our animals just go crazy over. Well, mine are no exception. You have to watch how crazy these chickens go. Hang on. And one of the last kind of cool things I know that your dog and cat don't give you are little treats. I call them butt nuggets. Anyways, let's see if we got any butt nuggets today. Oh, foiled again. Well, actually, because it's winter time and the temperatures are colder, the daylight is shorter, my chickens actually decrease in their egg production as we get into the winter, through the winter, and into the spring. Once the temperature's warm and the sunlight lasts a little bit longer, they'll produce an egg a day, and they tend to fill up my fridge pretty quick. All right, well, that's gonna do it for a day in the life 5280 Adventures. Those are my chickens. So I hope you guys enjoy this new series that we're going to go ahead and start. Go ahead and leave me some comments below here. Let me know what you think about what's going on. If you like it, and if you're going to stick around and enjoy it with me. I'm really enjoying kind of showing everybody what my life entails. So I appreciate all the support from you guys. I will see you next time, whether it's metal detecting, ice fishing, coin roll hunting, or a day in the life of 5280 Adventures. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see ya.